Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can show battery percentage in your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to show battery percentage in your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can show battery percentage in your device Oppo A57e.